Merry Christmas, Mr. Bear.
Grandma and Grandpa. Oh, take it. Take a picture, Daddy. You got it.
Mr. Bear's playing with his new ball toy rope.
Can you do it, right now?
From Grandma and Grandpa to Mr. Bear. Grandma and Grandpa Andy's.
Good boy, buddy. Look at you. And got an easy pull rope.
It's a good tug-of-war toy.
So, you can't bite us when you try to grab it. Okay, here, take it. Take it. Play. He likes it.
Hey, Jackson. We're going to open your presents next.